Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. After not giving any tricks for sideloading and installing IPA files on iPhone without Revoke for a while, I will give you the latest tips again on tricks for sideloading without Revoke and without using a computer. Previously, many people mentioned to me about how to install IPA without Revoke and how to buy cheap certificates to sideload on iPhone without using a computer. So, I will give you the tips and it works for all iOS and all iPhone models. Please visit Flexstore website. With Flexstore, you can install the IPA files you want without revoking them. Flexstore allows you to install IPA files directly without using an application and without a computer. And also, Flexstore makes it easy for you by having a variety of IPA libraries. Click and install directly on this website without any further applications. Click Get to Start Flexstore. After that, add Flexstore to your home screen by pressing the button below. And select Add to Home Screen. After that, go back to your home menu, then run Flexstore. To get started with the Flexstore, you need to add your device. Click Add Device and install the profile. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then install Flexstore Profile on your device. After installing the profile, you will redirect to Flexstore website again. If you see a message success like this, it means your device is successfully connected to your device. After that, you will see your device information, and that means your device is connected to Flexstore. Once connected, you can install any IPA files on your iPhone without limits. You can also install the application you want by searching for it in the IPA library provided by Flexstore. For example, I will try to install this emulator on my device. Click Install and wait until the process is complete. This emulator is installed perfectly. Easy, isn't it? Without cables and very instant. Not only that, you can also use the signer in this Flexstore to install the IPA files you want. You can use the file upload method or also by using the IPA files link. For example, I want to upload this IPA and install it on my iPhone. Then click Sign App. Then Install. The IPA files will automatically install to your device without any errors and without Revoke. The most interesting thing is, if you are a gamer and want to play Fortnite, you can install Fortnite with this Flexstore even if you are not in the EU region. With Flexstore, you can install Fortnite and play it without any restrictions. Just click Sign App and Install, then you will get it on your iPhone quickly, without limits and without Revoke. If you want to use the Flexstore, you can check the link on description. Add your device now to use Flexstore, and you can freely install IPA files without computer and without getting Revoke anymore. Okay? Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.